Hi there, and welcome to Code Verb. I will teach you the tricks of SQL, but first let's start with the introduction of SQL. But before we start SQL, we need to understand what is database. So a database is a structured collection of data that is organized in a way that allows for efficient storage, retrieval, and manipulation of information. It is a system that stores, manages, and retrieves information in a structured way, making it easier to access and analyze data. So, finally, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. SQL is used to create, modify, and query databases that store data in tables with rows and columns. Let's talk about the uses of SQL as it can be used for data retrieval, data modification, database management, reporting, data integration, mobile applications, web applications. SQL is a programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases, as it has some basic features as the user can set the data type of the column, as well can make the table to store data, and queries are the main part of SQL, as queries are used to manage and manipulate databases. SQL has several data types that are used to define the type of data that can be stored in a table. Few basics are numeric data types, which include integer, float, and decimal character data types, which include char, varchar, and text, date and time data types, which include date, timestamp. In a database, a table is a collection of data that is organized into rows and columns. Each row represents a unique record or instance of data, and each column represents a specific attribute or characteristic of the data. SQL is a programming language used to manage a query as a request for information from a database. It is a command written in structured query language that retrieves specific data from one or more tables in a database. Queries can be used to search for data, filter data, aggregate data, and modify data, and manipulate relational databases. Content we will cover in this course will be schemas, keys used in the tables, query used as a database language. IAD are used as unique identifier in columns of tables, as well table structures will be discussed. For today, guys, thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future videos.